Hello, hello. So today I thought it would be fun. This is going to be over a couple days actually, but to do like as many looks as I can that are different with this 5-pan eyeshadow palette. This is the Natasha Denona Mini Retro palette, and I feel like, you know, you see this, you see the colors. Oh, I just almost dropped it. And you think, wow, like how many different looks can I do? Well, we're gonna find out. So the first look is the one I'm wearing right now. Obviously, the colors in this palette are going to be softer. It's gonna be more of a soft look. You're not gonna have like a full-on glam. But I thought that we would just explore like how many different, you know, eye looks can I come up with that are pretty different. So before we get into it, make sure you're subscribed before you leave and give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out. And then you can follow me on my makeup related Instagram. All that stuff is always down below. Let's dive right in. Okay, so I'm just going in with the softest shade and building that into the crease, just with a crease brush. And really just building it up to how I like it. It's kind of personal preference. And then I'm taking the pink shimmer, the darker one, and with my finger I'm just applying that all over the lid. This looks going to be very, very simple. And then with a flat top brush, I'm taking the dark green matte shade and lining the tops of my eye, very, very close to the lash line, and just adding a little bit of mascara, no additional liner, and that's the first look. Okay, so I'm using that soft pink shade again as my transition and just building it into the crease. I kind of double dipped, made it really blown out. And then with that darker matte green shade, I took a slightly smaller crease brush and started putting that on the outer corner and into the crease as well. With that gunmetal green, I'm just going to pop that all over the lid, kind of messily into the crease. Softer pink shade, I'm putting that right into the middle of my eye for a little bit of definition and shine. Then a quick coat of mascara, and that's the finished look. For this final look, I used a little bit of eye primer, just an Urban Decay primer. Went in with the matte pink shade and put that in the crease and all over the lid, just building it up a little bit. And then I took the matte green shade and put that all over the lid as well. Made sure everything was blended, and then used my finger to tap out any bald spots. Then I used the shimmer as an inner corner highlight, just to add a little bit of pop of color. And that was the final look. Then I thought I could amp it up a little bit by putting the gunmetal over the base of that matte green, so that's what it looked like. Then I took the pink shimmer topper shade and just put it on the other eye just to see what it would look like. It's definitely more subtle. It's beautiful in person. I just wanted to compare the two, and then yeah, that is the final look. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!